Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April 24. We are looking at the chart of triple Q. This is the Nasdaq 100 ETF, 45 minutes time frame. We can see we are still making new all-time high just recently, right? So very bullish obviously, and we are rallying obviously in an impulse because we make new all-time high. So we finish with 1, with 2 here, and with 3 and with 4 finish here. So we are now looking to finish the last leg with 5. So once that 5 waves is complete, then it should be looking for a bigger 3 waves pullback afterwards, right? But in the meantime, we might still have a chance to extend a little bit more to the upside. If I zoom out to the daily time frame, here is our daily time frame. Now remember, we just recently made all-time high. This pullback here is the pullback happening during the news of the war breakout in Iran, right? Pulling back only to rally again to new high afterwards. So we clearly is in a bullish market, and here we got a clear high sequence here, right? So if we just simply measure extension like this, right, 100% extension, now we can see that we have a way higher target on the upside, 700 and a change, 780 or something like that, right? And currently though, I think the focus is in the shorter cycle, not on in the daily or weekly. Focus shorter cycle is this rally here, which is the low that we got from late last month. That cycle is about to complete, right? So if I put down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 1 hour, so this is the 1 here, right here. This is the 2 that we see in the 1 hour, and then now 3 here, 4 here. So we're looking for potentially the last leg. So cycle is mature in the sense that, oh, can I keep trading it, keep chasing it because I fear of missing out? Probably not the wisest idea, because again, cycle is mature. Should have, I mean, if you want to buy, you should have bought it probably right here, right? So when you measure the 100% extension in 3 swings, look at this: 1, 2, 3. You notice how it bounced exactly from this area. So if you are bullish, you would have bought it there, but not chasing it now when things are mature and about to finish or could finish any moment, any time, right? So as a result, I think, of course, obviously, nobody should attempt to try to sell and try to pick the top, right? That's kind of the worst idea. But at the least, I think chasing the upside is also not the wisest. I think the best is really waiting for this 5 waves to finish, right? If it can really go up one more leg, which is possible, yes, but I mean, who knows? It could just start to fall again like this, and if that's the case, then this cycle is finished, right? So I can always, you know, just move the positioning like this, call it finish, and then that will be a higher degree with 1, right? It cannot be with 5, by the way, because this is a new connector here. So that means we will be getting a 3 swings pullback like this if it is finished like this, right? Before higher again, right? So it's better to wait for that bigger 3 swings to correct the rally from earlier this month, right? And so yeah, so in the meantime, we can see a bit more upside to finish 5 in red, and then after we finish the entire 5 in red, that will finish 1 in the intermediate degree, right? And then do a bigger 3 pullback in the wave 2 in 3 waves, right? Typically, not always, the minimum requirement, the sort of the guideline is suggesting wave 2 ideally should reach at least 38.2% retracement of wave 1. Ideally, doesn't always have to. Sometimes in a very strong market it's less than 38.2, but ideally at least 38.2 or even more, like a 50% retracement or 61.8% retracement of the wave 1. Okay, so that's basically the idea in triple Q. And yeah, so for now, expect a bit more upside, yeah, just to finish up the 5 waves. Then we will get the bigger pullback in 3 waves to correct the cycle, which will then at that time will bring a better opportunity again if attempting to buy the dips. Alright, so that's the idea. If you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. Link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you guys again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.